Hello, my dear first BCom student. This is G. Mizati. Once again, I would like to welcome all of you to the X recorded class. Next aspect in third unit, performance appraisal. So try to understand what do you mean by performance appraisal, meaning, definition, nature, objectives, and the features of performance appraisal. So, performance appraisal is a structured formal interaction between a subordinate and superior that usually takes the form of a periodic interview, that is annual or semi-annual, here in which the work performance of the subordinate is examined here. So checking the performance of the worker here. So these processes known as called as the performance appraisal examined and discussed with a view to identifying weakness and strength as well as opportunities. So, identifying the weakness of the worker, strength of the worker, opportunities for improvement and skill development purpose, what step the management they have taken into consideration here. Performance appraisal provide employee with the opportunity to assess their employee contribution to the organization are essential to developing a powerful work team. Yet, in some practices here, physicians and practice managers put performance evaluation on the back burner here, often because of the time involved and the difficulties of critiquing employee with whom they work closely here. So, meaning and definition of performance appraisal, different management thinker they have given their own definition regarding the performance appraisal. The performance appraisal has structured the interaction between a subordinate here. So according to Dougal here, performance appraisal is a method of acquiring and processing the information here need to improve an individual employee performance and accomplishment here. This appraisal as a structured formal interaction between a subordinate and superior, as earlier I told, that usually take the form of periodic interview. So that is very important here for examining the strength and weakness of the worker and opportunities given for improvement is concerned or skill development purpose is concerned, etc. Next definition according to Edwin Filippo, performance appraisal is the systematic, periodic, and an impartial rating of an employee. So without any partiality, while at the time of conducting the appraisal is concerned, etc. And then the employee's excellence in the matters pertaining to his present job and his potential for a better job here. So these are the two important definitions. Nature of performance appraisal. Nature of performance appraisal can be summarized here. Promotion. So performance appraisal helps the supervisor to check out the promotion program for efficient employees here or work out the promotion program for efficient employee. In this regard, efficient worker can be dismissed or demoted in case here. Next, second one, compensation. So performance appraisal helps in checking out compensation packages for employee, that is merit rating is possible through performance appraisal here. Performance appraisal try to give without to a performance compensation packages which include bonus, high salary rates, extra benefits, allowances and prerequisites are depend on performance appraisal. Third, here employee development. The systematic procedure of performance appraisal help the supervisor to frame training policies and program. It helps to analyze strength and weakness of employee so that new jobs can be designed for efficient employee. Fourth one, selection validation. Performance appraisal helps the supervisor to understand the validity and importance of the selection procedure. The supervisor come to know the validity and thereby the strength and weakness of selection procedure. Next, motivation. Performance appraisal serves as a motivation tool that is very useful and helpful for motivating the workers or employees. Through evaluation or examining performance of employee, a person's efficiency can be determined. If the targets are achieved here, this very well motivate a person for better job, help him to improve his performance in the future. So these are the nature of performance appraisal. Next aspect, objectives of performance appraisal. The main objective of performance appraisal is to improve, measure and improve the performance of employee and increase their future potential value. Here, objectives include providing feedback, improving communication, understanding training needs, clarifying roles and responsibilities, and determining how to allocate rewards here. So first one, to provide feedback. The feedback received by the employee can be helpful in many ways here. It gives insight to how superiors value your performance here. How superiors judged your performances highlights the gap between actual and desired performance and diagnosis strength and weakness as well as shows areas of improvement. Next, to improve communication. The method of performance appraisal helps supervisor a superior strength and relationship and improve the communication with employee. That is very important here. The communication improvement purpose also this performance appraisal is very important. To clarify expectation. Next one, to clarify expectation, performance appraisal should clarify roles, responsibilities, and expectations of all employees. Fourth, to allocate rewards here. Performance appraisal reduce employee grievances by clearly documenting the criteria used to make organizational decisions such as promotion, raises, or disciplinary actions. Next, need for performance appraisal. The question is, what is the use or what is the need of performance appraisal here? Performance appraisal is an inevitable tool of a organization. Inevitable here. So that is a tool used like a tool in the organization, inevitable tool, because it provides vital information on issues like merit, promotions, incentives, etc. So performance appraisal plans are designed to meet the following purpose here. First one, performance appraisal provides information about the performance ranks, decision regarding salary fixation, confirmation of job, promotions, transfers and demotions are highly dependent on performance appraisal information or data. Second, it provides information to employees on their work efficiency and suggest changes in their behavior, attitude, skill, or job knowledge. Third, performance appraisal improves employee job performance. It will enhance or increasing the job performance, encourages employees to express their views or to seek clarification on job duties, and then broadens their outlook, capacity, and potential. Fourth one, provides feedback information about the level of achievement and behavior of the subordinate. This information helps to review the performance of the subordinate, rectifying the performance deficiencies and to set new standard of work. Next one, fifth one, performance appraisal help to diagnose the deficiency in the employee regarding the skill, knowledge, determine training needs and to prescribe the means for employee growth here. And sixth one, it promotes effective utilization of manpower. So manpower that can be fully utilized and improves placements, facilities, selection, rewards and promotion. Last one, it helps in preventing grievances and increases analytical ability of supervisor. So the remaining aspect I will explain in next class. Till then, goodbye to all of you.